Teams assembled, it's time for the first challenge. This is Inanimate Insanity. Season
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's just get this work done and finally be free.
Cleaning's my life, and when I'm feeling down, scrubbing the floors always removes a frown. The window panes reflect the struggles in my life. I make a new path and wash away my strife. New path, so what's the use? Just give me a break. Old friends will still leave distress in their wake.
Everyone seems lazy while I'm going crazy to clean up the mess that others will leave.
But what we do's inconsequent, I learned that from the internet. No question, I'm a nicer host, I don't mean to boast.
No one needs to like you if you like yourself. Just brush off your hardships and wipe them from the shelf. Sometimes the outside world just feels so demeaning, but it doesn't close in if you just keep on cleaning.
People playing games and talking. Black gold threatens all of them, so a blue hand stops them. Their name's for with X-Do. Can they trust them? I don't know. They said, don't you want to battle for a prize? You could win a BFDI. 8 teams of 8 are made. Get a basket and you'll be safe. Elimination time, it's cake and steak. Battles out and take it away. Where'd you go? There does a slack. 4 bricks dead, contestants back. Let's prevent death. Start it now. I can't believe who just got out. Swing and swing just like that. Taco's gone, oh now she's back. Let's drop for it, bet they love it. Forks are flying right above us. Rocky, please tell me that's cake. One by one, the ticklet's safe. Lies out, that's 4 so far. Paper airplanes like shooting stars. 4 times 0 equals 0. Now donuts the only austere, so avoid the twinkle of contagion. Let's all get it, couple patient. Loser lied and now they're gone. Close their connection and stop the bomb. The earth is on the moon, we don't tolerate cheating, free food. X is in price, pull them out. X is the host this episode's about. Bring forth back the game's a mess, and now we'll see inside the exit. One contestant will rejoin, don't touch that door, you've been warned. If you rejoins the game, get to the top of that huge staircase. Figure out who isn't who they say they are, or else you're doomed. You must cube lost and Spongy's mad, but first get X's treasure fast. Let's get digging what we find. Holy gosh, BFDI, lava's coming, excavate. Avoid golf ball, avoid her fate. Hey, it's Golf Ball's factory. It's finally you and me. Fiery and leafy feud. Get up, we thought to raise your mood. The lava's drained, the land is burned. Who's that barreling towards the earth? 2 shows out their coolest set. They split the show, 14 are left. Now let's see what's going on in the rest of this BFB marathon. BFB's BFDI's 4 has now doubled the prize. The show is back on track, 4 needs them to get X back. Have nots, help grow those crops. Aloe vera, points to spare, and Taco's gone, no time to mourner. Court's in session, hey you're foreigner. Firey stole the diary and blamely be conspiring to make her pay for what you did, but they make up by the end of it. The newbie alliance forms, Woody and Blocky join forces. Flower sweater, save the day when purple face makes his escape. Purple face knows the elimination, 4 finds out a gun to face, and we fit the merge, so throw a party, stop using these to say you're sorry. The newbie alliance adds in teardrop, the name stick is revealing up. Get a dodo from the devil, flower with using a pebble. Final 5, no final 6, no profilees eliminated. Where are these folks coming from? temporarily disbanded for a temporary team. Do all the challenges again with help from former contestants. The flower wins immunity to the final two. Who will that be? It's Gelatin who makes it through. The Taco's got snooping to do. Something's up with the announcer. Everyone around to counter till the budget's been depleted. Soon the show will be deleted unless they come up with the money. Purple face, this isn't funny. The animation looks undone now. Flower fork over the funds now. The show is safe, but four's not back. Wait, what is that giant crack? The final two's determined, and both of them have earned it. But only one can win the show. The viewers have decided on who should win the prizes. Stay tuned for the final episode.
You're the strongest, the brightest, the shining example. You've got more loving fans than our planet can handle. And they worship you, they're stuck on you like super glue. Yes, your prowess is tried and true. You're our idol cube.
Oh, thank you.
Your authority made you the head of the losers. Now you beg for your praise and you can't be a chooser. All the votes are cast, few from viewers that you've amassed. Loser, oh how it felt so fast. Here's some deja vu. Despite your popularity, you got
The second most number of votes to stay.
now. You assume you're so righteous, so blind to your lying. Did you honestly think that you'd win without trying? You said you played with your toys at an earlier date than when they were actually made. Don't think we forgot. If that wasn't enough, yeah, you read Donut's diary.
But it wasn't like that.
Liar, liar, pants on fiery. Not a great luck, loser. It was all on tape. Loser, you've got yourself to blame. See BFB free 168,855. Truly, I have not. Despite your popularity, you got
Okay, the third most number of votes to stay.
no. Don't you think you'll be happy when you left the exit?
The exit is full.
Well, you fell from grace, so you'll be our befitting contestant. Oh, loser by name, loser by nature, so guess what, loser? Despite your popularity, you got eliminated.
The names are hurrying. We have to catch up.